everybody, my name is Cora. I'm here at Gengras Subaru, and today I'm going to show you the memory button on your rear gate. This is a Outback, so we're going to open it up. As you can see, it opens all the way up, but sometimes we don't want to open it all the way up. If you're parking in a garage or underneath something, or you just don't want it to open all the way, we can set it. So you're going to grab this handle, pull it down to your desired height slowly, and then this button right here, we're going to press this and hold. Now when we close it and open it back up, it should open to that desired height. And if you don't want this feature, I can show you how to turn it off. So it's going to be on the screen here in your settings. So I'm going to be on the home screen, go into settings. Up at the top here, we're going to click car, and then scroll down till you see power rear gate. And as you can see, the memory feature's turned on, so we're going to turn that off. Now when we go back, it should open up to the normal height. And that is your power rear gate memory.